Alright, here is assignment number 7. This is the main function right here, and to start we are creating two tuples, one for ISIN, one for ISYS, and in these tuples we are storing these values, and then we are creating a empty dictionary, and then we are creating a key of ISIN to store in that dictionary, and for the values we are using the tuple values that we declared above. And then we are doing the same thing here with ISYS, and then we are calling this print function, which takes us over here, and we are passing in for parameters the dictionary that we created in the main. And basically what we're doing right here is we are going to be iterating through the dictionary and creating two lists, one for ISIN and one for ISYS, and we will be doing course dictionary.get ISIN, so that'll be getting all the values for the key of ISIN and storing them to that list, and doing the same thing with ISYS. And then down here we are sorting them using the sorted method, which will just sort them numerically. And then we are printing it, so for each item in ISIN list, it'll print ISIN, and then plus item, which will be the value, and doing the same thing for ISYS.